Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix error 31 in Valorant. Alright, let's begin. Error 31 usually appears when Valorant fails to retrieve your player name information. To resolve this, start by closing Valorant completely if it's running in the background. Next, open any browser on your PC. For example, launch Google Chrome and search for Valorant. Go to the official Riot Games website and click the Play Free or Play Now button at the top right corner. When prompted, click on Sign In and log in using your Riot credentials. You can also sign in using your Google account if you prefer. Once logged in successfully, close the browser and reopen Valorant. This time, run the game as an administrator by right-clicking on the icon and selecting Run as Administrator. This simple step often resolves the issue and lets the game fetch your player name properly. So that's basically how you can fix error 31 in Valorant. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.